Hello awesome guys, I'm Ethan. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe. And you can check out my other playlist about my song playlist, the song part where I sing and so on. Look at this, see? Look at this. It says hello, and here it's also a hello for you guys that are also new to the channel, Ethan Christoffe. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell if there is a bell. Just joking.
It is.
And also, and please check out my playlists, like my animation playlist and so on, and even my gaming playlist. And look at this, see, it says hello and so on. I love the notes in here. This is the music lab.
I love your creation.
Yes. Look. See? And now we'll show another one. This one.
Yeah. Wow, I love this creation.
It's
I
so
love your
amazing.
creation so
I
much.
made a spiral when I was doing this too. I just wanted to add something on the middle and the below, so I just added a spiral. That's what I want.
I love
And
it.
also look like the Conway's Game of Life, that thing that it would work.
I like it.
If you try it on Conway's Game of Life, and you can like, well,
So
like,
beautiful.
download
The
CDs,
song
so
is
good
so
effects.
beautiful.
Yes. Conway's Game of Life is a 0-player game, and I love the game. It is so good rating too. Even though it's just black and white and it's just the cellular automata, most people like it. I love it. Even my own. Even I like it too. Even you can see my Conway's Game of Life videos too.
Yeah. Ooh. I
How about
love
this?
it.
This is the check, the X, the question mark,
So
and the 1/1.
beautiful.
I was about to put the 10/10, but I just don't want to fill the space. Or this one. This is the part where the beats stop and everything stops. Except for this. So
I love your
so
creation
that's what
so
happens.
much. So amazing.
I love this
So
part,
wonderful.
and
I
it's
love the
one of my
songs.
favorites.
I love the
When I just found
shapes.
it
I
out,
love the
I was like,
colors.
wait, I love it so much. I want to use it in my other creations. And I'm like, wow, so much that I used it in my other creations. So
Yeah.
it is so awesome, right?
You said you created 4.
And I just starting the third.
Oh yeah, this is the 3rd,
Yes.
and this is the 4th.
This is the first. My alphabet note song from my notate. If you want to check out my notate that I did,
Show it to us.
I'll show you the notate. Look here. This is the alphabet note song. Even though the notate has less rating, which is 3.7, I mean 3.9, of course. See, and it sounds good.
You're good at notating. There.
Let's see here. I'll show you the here. This is just the beginning. The A, the B.
Oh.
Wait, here. I'll just sing the notes a tiny bit. I mean no. A, B,
Oh.
C. Just and then after that just to sing. And then E, D, F, and E, F,
Hmm.
G,
They don't show the notes.
E, yes. They don't show it too much, but they just do it like this.
I like your creation. You created all of this, right?
Yeah.
You composed this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, it's so amazing.
So
This is the
beautiful.
full
awesome.
song, of course.
I like your creation. You always save it, okay?
Yeah. Of course. I like my creations. They are really good.
Yeah, you're a great composer. You have to check your playlist, that
Yes.
song that
I'm
you created.
also a theologian, and I believe in God. I'm an evangelist Christian. And I am so happy that I created my playlist too. And it's so amazing and fun. And I also sorted my playlist of the animations from the black to white. If you want to see the animation playlist, you can see it sorted out from black to white. I edited it while I was watching my playlists. Oh my gosh, can you even do that?
Okay, of course you forgot to play this. We haven't heard of this
Here.
one yet. Oh, I love it. I love the beat of the drum.
Let's see. It's so amazing. But we need to
Why did you
play.
stop it?
Yes, but
Okay.
look here.
You mean
Let's
at the
just play
same
this
time?
Okay, now we're doing play. Let's play it at the same time.
Okay.
We need to play it somewhere at the ending, but we need to play this near, close to the ending.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa, amazing, awesome.
Not too much of synchronized. Oh, I missed it. But don't worry, it's okay. It's already 5 minutes right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
There, it's synchronized. Okay.
Now we're playing this one.
Oh, awesome.
This is the I'm playing first, second, third, fourth. No, I said it was this one. It's amazing. It's amazing, right?
It is so
Like
amazing.
and subscribe to Ace and Christoffe channel. It's amazing. Wait, there.
There.
Yeah, see, synchronized, and I love it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Got the
how
force.
did I forgot that force?
Yeah, awesome. Is it
See,
synchronized?
synchronized.
Yeah, it's synchronized.
Yeah, amazing.
Amazing, so amazing.
Amazing. Amazing. It's so awesome, right? I added some kind of decorations like the spiral right here. I just like to add notes like going up, going down. And I also added this part. See, the like that. Wait, where is it? Like this. Like that. And you can see it on this one. This is the one. See, it has this one. This is where all the beats stop. I also need to stop the speed if it goes there. But don't worry, I don't need to really. But I just like this. It's super awesome. Do you like it too? If you like it, then you can also well, actually I think like after, maybe in the future, I think I will create a Minecraft server, or maybe, so if you see my Minecraft server, then you can join it if you wanna, and you can try to find my parkour with with cocoa beans right there. And I like it how it grows cocoa beans on trees. They look like lanterns, even though they don't even spread light or something. And they also go from green to yellow to orange, of course, with yellow to brown, I think. Okay, then. Yes, but no, we'll stop it for now. And now I'll show you how to open the music lab. See? You just type music lab and you do go to Chrome music lab, and you need to please subscribe to my channels, and please click the like, and please check my playlist, and please subscribe to my channel. But wait, look, I'm creating this one. I'm creating the buy now. I'm creating the buy part. Why to this video? Let's make it sound more awesome. Let's just add this one. Even though this would take a tiny bit, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. See? Sounds good. So bye for this video. Okay, and bye. Woohoo!
I like this. I didn't know that you created a buy. Please subscribe.
Yes, and please believe in Jesus Christ. times. Please subscribe and Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
Thrives.
that's so amazing.
Yeah, and Jesus is our Lord and Savior.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Yes, and you didn't expect this to come.
I didn't
right?
expect
Did
that there's a
you?
bye. Right, the best.
I did not expect it either. as since I went
As an
to
ending,
the end. And bye at 10:30. 10 minutes and 36